Welcome to CAD Concepts. In this video, I will show you how you can divide irregular complex plot in one time with specific angle or custom area or percentage. You can divide from different aspects your irregular complex plot. You will get complete coordinates, complete table, complete P-line, area, running meter, feet, yard. So this is the most powerful Lisp in this channel. You will get amazing insights here. So without wasting time, let's begin. This plot we have, okay. We will divide this plot, okay, with equal division and other important aspect. Let this here, ERX. You are getting dialog box. Base length unit, okay, meter, click on meter, divided by strategy, equal parts, plots will keep number of 5. I want to divide 5 equal plots. Area, square meter, square feet, both we need, okay. Reference cut angle selection, as per line order you want to take division. If I will click this line, so we'll go at as per that division, okay. Let this line P line tick. Plot distribution direction from that line, okay. You want left side plot number 1, 2, 3 or right side. Coordinate stick, add hash, okay. Rest everything same, okay. And click here your P line, then again click your P line direction. So we click here as per that direction. You are getting number of 5 equal plots in complete detail, including hash, percentage, square meter, square feet, plot order, and running feet also. If you see here, each vertices you are getting points also. So what is that point? Let this here. When you click, you will get complete plot report, and that points complete coordinates. So this is the most powerful Lisp routine for surveying. You can divide your complete plot with complete coordinates, running length, meter, feet, yard, and you are getting area in square meter, area in square feet, or you can take in hectare also, or in yards also. We will see other very important aspect. Let this ERX. Now I will take meter running length, okay. Custom area. We will take 3 division, okay. Rest all tick. Horizontal. Order will take from top, okay. Click over the P line, so it will ask you custom area, okay. 3 equal division, or as per your custom area how much you want to divide, okay. So first one you will keep, for example, 16234.87, second one 151452. So remaining also you are mentioning, and you can input. So you will get your custom area for your complex plot, and it will give automatically your percentage. If you see here, plot 1, plot 2 and plot 3, okay. Each vertices you are getting points also and running length also. Click here to get your table. So you are getting area in square feet, area in square meter, and total percentage also, and each P line you are getting coordinates. So specific percentage or custom area you can do effectively. Let this ERX, same as it is, I want by percentage, okay. Rest everything same. We'll take vertical division, vertical line division. When you click on this plot, it will ask you remaining 100%. So first division, let this 34.55. Then second division, we will keep here 30.54. So remaining will detect automatically because we have given 3 plot, right? So exact percentage you are getting plot division, okay. And now click here to get your table. So you are getting plot percentage. So percentage divided value in square feet in square meter, right? And you are getting plot number in coordinates, complete coordinates. Now we will see if we have existing plot. For example, if you have provided your plot detail and you have existing area on that based area you want to divide. Okay, let this ERX meter, let this custom area, and tick, very important, pick value. Okay, then let this tick. So we will pick this value. Okay, plot 3, we will provide by angle, division by angle. Okay, let the 65 angle, you can keep any angle. Order, right side, rest everything same. Now it will ask you select your plot. You selected, then it will ask you select your existing value. Click on first value, so it will consider your plot area. Then second, third will detect automatically. Now you are getting your existing plot area that you want to divide. Okay, so you do not require to type manually if you have existing area to be divided in any complex plot. Okay, now you are getting as it is, and then click here to get your complete table. So you have existing area, you can effectively split this way. In the same way, if I want to divide by percentage, for example, this plot we have existing percentage. So we will divide as per that percentage. Let this one, pick value, tick, rest everything same. Okay, and click over the plot line, and then click over the percentage, first one, second one, because we have given 3 divisions, so third one will detect automatically. And then click here to get your complete table. So percentage also you can do by pick value, and area also. Let this ERX. Now I want to divide randomly number of 14 plot division. Coordinates, let this tick. Text scale you can provide here. Okay, we have chosen angle. So quickly, if you have big plot, okay, and you want to divide equally as much as segment, that doesn't matter. When you click on that plot, it will take complete process and just wait for a while. Okay, now you are getting number of 14 plot divided to get your comprehensive table, if you see here. So this is the powerful way to split your irregular complex area from different aspects. Of course, there are a lot of things to do for customization. For example, any particular task you want to automate, you want to divide area from this list, then you may require to customize some important aspect. What type of line, P-line hatches you want, or area you want, or a specific need in table. For that, you can contact me. I will customize as per your requirement. Okay, then you can save you a lot of time and you can solve a very complex problem effectively. So this way, using this powerful tool, you can save a lot of time and you can divide irregular area effectively. Of course, you can download this Lisp routine. If you got any point, or you want to suggest any feedback in this implementation, or you want any topic to explore in the next video, let me in the comment section. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.